So there's no easy answer to the question that you have, at least in terms of how I think you're asking the question. So I'm going to show you what I do, and hopefully this is something you can adapt for your students. So in my classes, my students submit all of their materials, assignments, whatever, in a Google Drive folder that I can see. So they created the folder and they shared it with me so I can see its contents. No one else can see the contents. I can give you instructions for that if you want, but if what it sounds like to me is you made the folder and shared it with the kids, it should work the same way. So what I would do is I would give my kids an assignment. Now, if let's say that your assignment is a Google Doc, I would share that Google Doc with them however you share it with them. So everybody gets the same Google Doc. And in fact, let me open up a Google Doc here of some sort. And here we go. Just to show you what I would do. Let's find something that's fun. Okay. So let's pretend that this is my Google Doc that is some type of assignment for my students. And it could be a Google slide, it could be in anything. Now, I'm going to share this with them. And they are going to have only viewing privileges. Okay, so they can only look at this document. They cannot alter this document. And then I would go and I would get a shareable link. I don't know if you know how to do this. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. I'm going to give them a link that they can only view. Okay, so that's what I would do. And then I would paste that link in Schoology in an email and whatever it is that you, however you are going to deliver your assignments to your students. So once I've done that part, for the kids to edit the document, what they have to do is they have to file, make a copy. So they have to make a copy of that document in order for them to edit it. Now, wherever they put that document in your shared drive folders, for instance, then you would see their stuff. The other kids will not see their stuff. Okay, so it'll stay confidential, if you will. Oftentimes, too, when I have them make a copy, I will have them change the heading to their last name, or maybe their last name in the assignment, or some initials, or whatever you're comfortable with in terms of your shorthand. So that's what I would do. I would give them all the same document that they can only view with the instructions to file, make a copy, and then once they've put their answers in and alter their document, then put it in that shared drive folder, and the other kids won't be able to see it. So hopefully that answers your question. If not, let me know and I'll figure something else out.